Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nevi Beauty and today we're doing something a little different. No makeup involved, but a fun and exciting holiday Christmas home decor. I'm talking high level, full mode on, cheap, affordable. I did some serious damage in a Dollar Tree store and managed to get some serious goodies out of there. I would like to share that with you. But before I forget, if you like my video, please give it some thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe and start following me on Instagram.
Hello. Can you guess where we are? We are currently in front of the Dollar Tree store, which means that everything in this store costs $1. $1. I always find some goodies, and we're here today to see what they have to offer. Let's go inside. What I was thinking to get this little thing and fill it out with candies and get the bigger one and fill it out with plush toys. I got one of each. Woo! This as well. This probably too. And this. So what I like to do as well is that I buy a lot of candies, and that's my decor too. I know it's funny, no one ever eats them, but I just like them being there. I got a pack of these. Look at this, so cute. These two of the Santas, and then what I do, I open up these and then I just divide it. I think I'm gonna get one pack of this as well. discovered these too. Oh, James is gonna kill me. These because I pack some boxes and I put them under the tree and they look like gifts. So I'm gonna end up getting a couple of these. So I'm also gonna need some candles. Probably gonna end up getting some regular white candles because that's the fun part. They have a big choice. Wow.
Starting with this part, and then we're gonna go ahead do the Christmas tree. So over here I want to do these. I have these little figures. I have a few of them. I have ribbons. I have the stockings, and I also wanted to do candy. I know it sounds weird, but it is part of my my thing. It's really cute, and I bought 2 of these, and I was gonna stuff them with candy. So I use these clear pins. I put it here, and then I hang what I want. This is all from a Dollar Tree. Everything. And I also got these. They're like, not sure how they're called, but you can use them as attachment for the ornaments. So I made this basket with like toys and candy. It's gonna go in the middle. Now that's done, let's do the Christmas tree. Also, you're probably gonna need one of these, the extension cords. I also got that in a Dollar Tree store. Everything here is from a Dollar Tree, literally. So what you wanna do, you wanna wrap this around your Christmas tree first, because when you do your ornaments after that, they're just gonna be popping. So I'm not one of those people who will do red only or silver only or gold only Christmas and holiday decor for me is literally the shiny as much as possible, the blincy, the glincy. I want everything. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. Our tree is done. I hope you guys like it. I worked really hard for the tree. These are like, I'm not sure what are they. How should I call them? They're like silvery, glittery straps, and I also purchased them in a Dollar Tree store, and I put them over the tree, and it looks really, really nice. Found just in empty boxes, and I also got some paper from a Dollar Tree, and just wrapped them and put them underneath, and there you go. The fireplace. I love it. I love how it came out. Affordable, and you're free to do whatever you want to do and do whatever you want in your own home. I love these little figures. I also did a little setup for ottoman. Yeah, I felt a little, this is also from a Dollar Tree, everything, literally. This is going to be the setup for the ottoman in the living room. This is the counter table of my kitchen. So I made this. This is my cake stand. I love it. It's like a holiday Christmassy thing. And this is what's on it. And one more look at this beautiful Christmas tree. It's glitzing and blitzing. This is it when it comes to our modest holiday home Christmas decor. I truly hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did putting it together. Can you tell that I'm such a sucker for all these glitzy things? Jokes aside, before you go, I need to say a few things off my chest, and 2020 hasn't been easy for anyone. I know you're struggling out there mentally, financially, economically, and physically. You're not alone. I'm struggling too, and I wanted this holiday decor. But it's really hard when you're in a budget and you can't afford a lot of things. It's easy when you're rich, you can afford everything, you just go in the store, go get it, or have other people do it for you. That's easy. You know what's not easy? When you can't afford that, but you still want it. So this was another way to get inspired and creative with a little bit of money in our pocket, and I hope this video inspires you too the way it did with me. I feel very grateful, and I hope that you're grateful too. I hope that all your families are staying safe and healthy. We're gonna get through this and things are gonna get better soon. If you like my video, make sure that you hit that thumb up and subscribe to my channel so we can hang out in the future. And if any of these ideas work for you, feel free to comment down below or message me on Instagram. I'm gonna be so happy. Or if you have any other ideas, how would you do it? What would you change? What would you do? And that's it. I love you guys. Thank you for your support.